So we're out here with the car, getting ready to open up these wheels I got. Sponsor. Big shout outs to AG Avant-Garde Wheels for getting these over to me really quick. You know, I really like their style. I like how their wheels are very unique, where you can customize just about anything as far as color scheme, style, whatnot. So let's go ahead and open these wheels. So now we're just removing the old wheels. To make room for some good new. I got the front wheels off, the old wheels, and now I'm going to test fit the rears. I already test fit the front. They were good. They're good. You always want to make sure you test fit your wheels before you order tires. That way you can account for any adjustments in your fitment. You want to make sure you have enough clearance when you, especially on the front where you rotate your front wheels when you steer. That way you know if you got to run a smaller tire or if it's safe to run a meatier tire. You have enough clearance. You can try to avoid rubbing as much with your tires as possible. Eleven and a half inches. Can you guys even see it? I'm kind of cheap and I use the OEM scissor lift or scissor jack when I work on my car. Why? I don't know. Because I ain't really got much place to store tools. So I make do with what I have. Alright, so let's see how it sits aired out. Out of the 7 people watching this right now, who can guess how much offset this is? What is that? So if you're watching, I'll let you know what the offset on the new wheels are. Take a good look. So my front offset is actually only -10. But that's right. That's why you test fit before you order tires. Look at that fucking lip though. Look at that lip though. Just to give you guys an idea, that's the lip. Just so you get an idea. Like that's touching the face of the wheel. And I still have like 2 inches past the bill. Bruh. I got the center caps in a box, but yeah, fucking foot. Oh yeah, these are coming off. Oh, never mind. I'll take that off later. Alright, well, I'm running out of daylight. I still have to switch back to my old tires so that I can actually get take that back. I actually have to switch back to my old wheels so I can get tires mounted when I can get them ordered. So peace out.